In this forecast demonstration, we're going to leverage Power BI visualizations, and in particular, the playback function to highlight how our forecast will impact the business going forward. In this demonstration, we are showing that we're planning for our Adelaide branch, which we have recently launched. We have the budget, we have the actuals. Our next step is to forecast into our half year. So what we'll do here is the half year has been loaded with actuals. We will then input our plans going forward. Now, our plan going forward is that there's going to be significant growth in Adelaide. We are behind in regards to the backlog of work. Although we started off slow, as you can see here in our Power BI graphs, although we started off slow in terms of manning up our new branch, and what we're finding is that the backlog of work is extreme and we need to ramp up real quickly. So let's post those values and refresh our Power BI. What you now can see is our H1 forecast moving forward. And you can see here that the orange graph slowly overtakes the original budget. There are times when the original budget overtakes, but then by the end of the year, it's well ahead. Now, if we were to go over and have a look at the playback functionality, let's see how, as the Adelaide branch grows out, how it impacts the overall FTE. So we can see here that it starts off slow in July, October. From November, December, we start to put on more staff. Then after the new year, it really picks up. And that's when the business really gets going with staffing levels. So that's the playback functionality and how you can leverage Power BI in your forecasting going forward.